Strawberry skin shows up on the legs in the form of small black spots. Think of the dotted skin of strawberries. Strawberry spots on legs are not harmful. However, they can make your self-esteem go down, as they make you self-conscious about your legs. You cannot get rid of strawberry legs overnight. You have to be persistent to control the appearance of these black spots on your skin. The good news is that getting rid of strawberry legs involves only 3 simple steps. Step 1: Exfoliation. Keeping your legs well exfoliated is one of the best ways to prevent the appearance of dark pores. Exfoliation is a process in which you remove any buildup of oil, dirt, and bacteria. You can use a number of exfoliating products, but we always recommend sticking to natural and healthy ingredients. You can find all of these ingredients in your kitchen. Baking soda. All you need is 2 ingredients, baking soda and water. Make a thick paste with a ratio of 1:1. After mixing baking soda and water, apply on the skin. Massage using circular movements for 5 minutes and then wash off. Salt. Mix half a cup of olive or coconut oil and 1 cup of salt. Add few drops of essential oils if you want more fragrance and relaxing feeling. Massage the affected area for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash off. Sugar and olive oil. If salt is too harsh for your skin, you can try using brown sugar. A good paste ratio is 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of oil. Some prefer to use olive oil, while others go for coconut oil. The smell is better. Apply on the skin using circular motions and then wash off. Ground coffee. Use the coffee grounds to apply to your affected areas. Use small and circular motions to apply and then massage for 5 minutes, rinse off. Coffee also helps you fight off cellulite. Step 2: Hair removal. It is very important to choose the best hair removal method for you. Dark spots on your legs often happen due to shaving. Always exfoliate several days before shaving. Soak your legs in the warm water to soften the hair and prepare them for shaving. Always use a sharp razor and throw the old one out. Shave in the direction hair grows. Rinse in cold water to close your pores, minimizing their exposure to air. A good idea is safety razor that has a single blade going over the hairs, not 5 single blades going over the same spot. Waxing and epilating are also good options for hair removal. Step 3: Moisturize. Dry skin is one of the biggest risk factors for strawberry legs, and you should moisturize it often. There are natural options you can find in your kitchen. Rose water. The best combination for moisturizing is rose water with cucumber. To prepare the paste, mash 1 cucumber in the blender with a fork, and then add a few drops of rose water. Apply to your legs, and let your legs absorb the nutrients for 10 minutes. Rinse and repeat daily. Aloe vera. One of the most potent moisturizers is aloe vera, as it has the ability to bind water to the skin. This helps keep your skin well hydrated at all times. Just massage the gel from the aloe vera leaves into your skin for 5 minutes, rinse afterward. Aloe vera massage also helps with stretch marks and cellulite. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is known to keep bacteria and fungus at bay, reduce irritation, and protect your skin from clogged pores. Mix 2-3 drops of tea tree oil and 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. Massage the mixture into your skin, let it absorb for 5 minutes, and then rinse. Tips for soft and beautiful skin. Change your towel once per week. Change your loofah and exfoliating glove once every month or every 2 months. Practice dry brushing before the shower to get rid of dead skin cells and improve blood flow. Follow a balanced diet including fruits and vegetables to prevent skin irritation. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you want more recipes and tips.